Welcome to this video on the strategic dimensions of Balochistan's mangrove ecosystems, focusing on ecological baselines, the blue economy, and climate resilience. The objective is to evaluate the strategic importance of Balochistan's mangroves, a highly resilient but underappreciated ecological asset. Pakistan's coastline spans 1,050 kilometers, with Balochistan constituting 72% of this, covering 760 kilometers. The Makran coast is rocky and rugged, unlike the alluvial Indus Delta in Sindh. This restricts mangroves to specialized enclaves in sheltered bays and lagoons. Balochistan faces extreme climatic stressors, including a severe arid subtropical regime with high temperatures often exceeding 40 degrees Celsius. Mean annual rainfall is low, fluctuating between 100 to 200 millimeters. The absence of perennial rivers means mangroves endure prolonged periods of extreme hypersalinity. Seasonal hydrological networks are the lifelines of the Makran coast, delivering freshwater and nutrient-rich silt only during episodic seasonal floods. Key rivers include the Porali and Windor, discharging into Miani Hor, the Basel River influencing Kalmat Khor, and the Dasht River terminating at Gwatar Bay. The big three ecosystems are the primary mangrove hubs of Balochistan. Miani Hor, an ecological crown jewel, hosts 84% of the province's mangroves. Kalmat Khor is an enclosed lagoon, and Gwatar Bay represents the westernmost mangrove frontier. Defying global deforestation trends, Pakistan has seen a multi-decadal resurgence in mangrove cover. Through state afforestation and legal protections, national mangrove cover expanded from 44,486 hectares in 1988 to over 106,636 hectares in 2024, achieving a sustained annual growth rate of 3.88%. The data reliability is established using a robust geospatial validation methodology. This involves 36 years of Earth observation data processed via Google Earth Engine, utilizing 30-meter resolution satellite imagery and the random forest machine learning algorithm. The process yields an overall accuracy of 93%. Mangrove forests in Balochistan have been officially designated as protected forests. This legal protection is critical for conserving these vital ecosystems across key locations like Miani Hor, Kalmat Khor, and Gwatar Bay. Kalmat Khor serves as a case study in resilience. After a significant decline between 1992 and 1996 due to drought and overcutting, concerted restoration efforts led to a massive recovery. The area has since expanded to 1,022 hectares by 2024. Mangroves are colonizing emerging niches, showing hypergrowth in newly documented sites like Ankara Creek and Darag Hor. This expansion is driven by favorable rainfall trends and microtidal inland push, resulting in an unprecedented localized annual growth rate of 12.69%. A spatiotemporal summary shows master growth metrics from 1988 to 2024. The national total achieved a 3.88% annual growth rate. Kalmat Khor showed significant recovery, and emerging sites exhibited hypergrowth with a 12.69% annual growth rate. Ecological bottlenecks in these hypersaline environments limit species diversity. Mangroves have severe osmoregulatory adaptations, including root-level ultrafiltration and active salt secretion via leaves. Complex aerial roots or pneumatophores prevent asphyxiation in anoxic mudflats. The monoculture phenomenon is marked by the dominance of Avicennia marina, a highly resilient pioneer species. While robust anthropogenic stress like overharvesting alters its morphology, leading to stunted phenotypes in areas like Kalmat Khor. Miani Hor exhibits a botanical trifecta, being the only coastal location in Pakistan to naturally host 3 mangrove species. These are Avicennia marina, Rhizophora mucronata, which occupies lower intertidal zones, and Cereops tagal, providing understory structural complexity. Mangroves exhibit zonation and coastal engineering functions. Different species engineer distinct coastal defenses based on tidal topography. Anthropogenic selection pressures shape the forest composition. Rhizophora mucronata is targeted for its high-quality timber, leading to selective logging. Mangroves engineer complex, three-dimensional habitats, supporting a massive trophic web. This web ranges from detritus and microbial mats to apex predators. These areas are wetlands of international importance, serving as vital wintering grounds along the Central Asian Flyway. Miani Hor is a Ramsar site hosting over 20,000 wintering waterbirds. Deep navigable channels provide critical cetacean habitats. Miani Hor hosts a resident population of the endangered Indian Ocean humpback dolphin. Mangroves are the fishery's economic engine, supporting up to 80% of the commercial catch during juvenile life stages. Loss of mangroves directly correlates to fisheries collapse. This biodiversity summary matrix shows the status of key species. Several species, including marine mammals and reptiles, are listed as endangered or vulnerable. Coastal populations have high dependency and high fragility. Approximately 90% of the population relies exclusively on fishing and mangrove-allied trades. Mangroves provide immense indirect and direct economic value. Holistic valuation estimates ecosystem services at $1,363 per hectare per year, including fishery support and coastal protection. Industrial externality risks, such as macroeconomic restructuring, pose acute spatial conflicts. Strict integrated coastal zone management is required to protect these fragile habitats. Mangroves are among the most carbon-dense ecosystems on Earth. They utilize sulfate reduction rather than methanogenesis, resulting in long-term, stable carbon sinks. Pakistan's average mangrove carbon density is estimated at 238.85 tons per hectare. This sequestration rate surpasses terrestrial dryland forests by a factor of 2 to 4. The Balochistan Carbon Offset Project is an ambitious afforestation, reforestation, and revegetation initiative. It aims to generate high-quality, verified carbon credits for global voluntary markets. This video details the financial architecture for the Balochistan Climate Finance Project, structured under a design, build, finance, operate, maintain, and transfer, or DBFOMT model. This includes a 46-year concession period, with a 1-year development and 45 years of operations and maintenance. The bidding timeline extends to March 31st, 2026. Looking at the mangrove forest cover trend in Balochistan from 1990 to 2020, we see a substantial increase in area, measured in square kilometers. The total mangrove cover has grown from 19.39 square kilometers in 1990 to 54.86 square kilometers in 2020. Mangrove conservation efforts under the GPPT-BTTP project have been significant. Achievements include notifying all 6 remaining mangrove forests as protected and the sowing and planting of over 5 million mangrove seeds and propagules, resulting in 5,500 acres of restoration coverage. The GPPT-BTTP Forestry Balochistan project involves numerous mangrove reforestation initiatives. Activities include nursery establishment, women's integration, scientific studies, and the distribution of sowing machines, alongside the planting of over 5.9 million seedlings. The Miani Hor Mangrove Forests site in Labella is a key reforestation area. By 2023, the site shows significant progress, with approximately 3,000 acres planted and over 3.7 million seeds or plants established. Community-based management, or CBM, is essential for empowering local stakeholders across the remote coastline. The CBM model integrates local fisherfolk into planting and nursery activities, linking restoration to income and exploring ecotourism as an alternative revenue stream. Balochistan is actively meeting international biodiversity targets with the rise of marine protected areas, or MPAs. Astola Island was declared the first MPA in 2017, Cherna Island the second in 2024, and Miani Hor is expected to be gazetted as the third in September 2025. The strategic outlook and recommendations for coastal resilience focus on 4 pillars: scaling blue carbon, enforcing MPAs using community rangers, regulating pastoralism, and continuing afforestation to sustain the momentum of the UGP program. These slides contain the first set of primary references and scientific data used for the research and insights in this video. These include key studies and official project progress reports. The second set of primary references includes further scientific data on mangrove dynamics, the invitation for bids for the Balochistan Carbon Offset Project, and the declaration of Miani Hor as a marine protected area. Special thanks go to Thank you for watching this video on the mangroves of Balochistan and how we are protecting our future.